The 2023 Hyundai Tucson is a great choice for those looking for a reliable and stylish vehicle. From its striking exterior design to the powerful performance of its engine, the Hyundai Tucson has plenty to offer. The interior provides comfortable seating with ample room for 5 passengers and plenty of cargo space. Hyundai's commitment to safety is highlighted in the 2023 Hyundai Tucson's long list of standard safety features, like blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, forward collision mitigation, and smart cruise control. For an even greater degree of confidence on the road, you can opt for further advanced driver assistance options, like automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection and rear cross traffic alert. In terms of performance, the 2023 Tucson offers up to 161 horsepower from its standard 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, or you can upgrade to the optional 2.4-liter 4-cylinder for 181 horsepower. You also have the option of getting Hyundai's intelligent variable transmission, which utilizes a continuously variable design to optimize efficiency and performance. If you're looking for styling, the 2023 Hyundai Tucson has that covered too. Hyundai offers an array of exterior color options as well as wheel designs ranging from 16 to 19 inch. Inside the cabin, you'll find a range of features like heated front seats, wireless charging capabilities, and an 8-inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility. For those interested in getting behind the wheel of Hyundai's 2023 Tucson, visit a Hyundai dealer near you to find out more. With a Hyundai Tucson for sale, you're sure to find a reliable and stylish vehicle that won't break your budget. Get ready to experience Hyundai's commitment to safety and performance with the 2023 Hyundai Tucson.